my favorite part.
I just thought you'd just be walking the waterfall and you're done. I'm
Oh,
like, this is awesome.
Yeah.
This exceeds my expectations.
Yeah.
Fabric-like draperies flowing from limestone, curly helictites defying gravity, and delicate straw-shaped capillary tubes hanging from the ceiling, and mounds of flowstone resembling lava. The shapes are determined by location and rate of water flow, with mineral
Touch it,
I know.
even though I totally want to.
I know. That one's broken too, right here, see it? Shift the broken, yeah, boy, we broke it off.
We're trying to be like Herd and Farrell.
Oh, yeah.
Jeez. You get a lot of credit for that.
Yeah, yeah, we have a method to the madness, I